Okay.
Look, say hi to her. That's a party. Can you sit next to her? Say hello. Say hello, Hadassah.
No, say hello to Luca.
Yes. Yes.
She's like, I like the shirt.
Yeah. It's Hadassah. Baby's all scared. Like, what's going on, Mommy? Save me. Can you say hi to her? Oh. It's your friend. Hey. You just say hey.
Oh.
He likes the game.
So cute.
You know, it'd be funny if you two get married and she'll... Okay, oh.